How to reply to a comment on TikTok with a video. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to reply a comment on TikTok with a video. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have updated your TikTok app, you may now open your TikTok app and then go to the video or to the comment that you want to reply with a video. So there are actually two ways. You may go to the comment of the video that you want, or you may also go to the comment of your own video. So the steps are pretty the same. So you just go to the comment section, choose the comment that you want. So for example, I'll choose this one. I be feeling the ride on the way home. So what you're going to do is to press and hold on this comment and click on reply with a video. So click on reply with a video, and then right here you may start recording. You may also start by putting on some effects first. You may also upload your photo or your video that you want to add in this TikTok video. So make sure also to choose the time that you want, as well as the filters, the beautify, and many more. And then, once you have done that, simply click on the check mark fan on the right side of the record button, and then that's it. That's how you can reply to a comment on TikTok with a video. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.